Hi guys, and welcome to a new episode of my first game with Godot. Uh, I named the game Alpha Kitty. I think I told you that before. I don't remember very well, but yeah, our game is called Alpha Kitty. Uh, I agree with my friend, with Julius. He's working at another project. I helped him as well with some graphics, but he still a lot to do to work on his game. My game, I didn't evolve too much. I learned in the last weeks about the Parallax, and I tried to learn more things about the game. I want to make him more professional. I'm an amateur, as you know, and yeah, let's see what means the parallax and how he looks in our game. Okay, let's start the game. Okay, so press the play, and yeah, my game, it looks like this in this moment, at this moment, and the parallax is the image in the background is moving in a different way, giving you the sensation that it's real. It's like it's a cheap trick, but I saw this thing somewhere, and just I wanted to put in my game as well. So if you look in the background is moving. It gives you a sensation that you have a very far away image in the back, and the image in the front, like these bushes here, they move differently, like they move slower and faster, and the image in the back is moving slower, and like giving you the sensation that it's very far away. So yeah, this I learned this couple of weeks. In the last couple of weeks, I like it a lot, how it looks like, and it's gonna be awesome. So this first level is gonna be outside. I'm gonna change the enemy as well. I'm gonna change the movement of our hero, the Alpha Kitty. I'm gonna change even the titles. I don't like them. I have some ideas. I hope you're gonna like them. Very soon I'm gonna put even the game for you guys. It's gonna be for free. You can play it and just comment there what you like, what you don't like. It's gonna help me a lot. A lot of critics. It helps me to improve the game. So feel free to comment. So just put your opinion there. What I should do more on this level. This level, it's outside. I'm thinking to put some mouses to make the level somehow to go on the ground, and outside, when it goes outside, to be chased by dogs or something like that. And the next level is this level is gonna end to a door of a house, and second level is gonna be somewhere in the house. We'll see what I'm gonna do there. I don't have an idea how the level 2 is gonna look like, but I'm very pleased about the first level. It came out very, very nice. I like it. Yeah, pretty much this is it. See you in the next one. Bye bye.